Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to wash your Toyota Tacoma step by step. First, gather your essential supplies: 2 buckets, a quality car wash soap, soft wash mitts, and a reliable hose. Before applying any soap, give your Tacoma a thorough rinse from top to bottom. This crucial step removes loose dirt and debris, preventing scratches during the wash. Always ensure your truck is cool and out of direct sunlight to avoid water spots. Now let's dive into the 2-bucket method, a gold standard for preventing scratches. Fill 1 bucket with your chosen car wash soap and water, and the second with clean, plain water. Work in small sections, starting from the roof and moving downwards. After washing a section, rinse your mitt thoroughly in the clean water bucket before returning it to the soapy solution. This keeps abrasive dirt out of your soap. Your Tacoma's wheels and tires deserve special attention. Use a dedicated bucket, brushes, and a wheel-specific cleaner to tackle brake dust and road grime. Spray the cleaner onto one wheel, allowing it to dwell for about 2 to 3 minutes as per product instructions. Then, use various brushes to agitate the dirt before rinsing thoroughly. This prevents cross-contamination with your paintwork. The final step is crucial for a spotless finish. Immediately dry your Tacoma using a soft, clean microfiber towel or an air blower to prevent water spots. Work systematically from the top down. Once dry, consider applying a high-quality wax or sealant. This not only enhances the shine, but also provides a protective layer against environmental elements, keeping your Tacoma looking great for weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.